Hey y'all, it's your girl V-Law. I'm doing these viral barbecue sauce and great meatballs. Okay, here's my grape jelly. I already put my grape jelly in a bowl, and then I'm gonna take some of this barbecue sauce, Sweet Baby Ray's. Let me just get it open. Okay, I think I'm gonna try to put equal parts. So barbecue sauce, I'm trying to eyeball it, and grape jelly. That'll be enough. All right, so seasonings wise, we're gonna add some garlic powder.
Are you talking to me?
I'm doing a video.
Tell everybody it's hot.
Oh well, I'm doing a voiceover. I'm gonna put about that much. A little bit of adobo.
You Spanish?
No. And some of my herb blend.
Ooh.
If you know, you know.
That's right. Hi guys.
Baby, they ain't gonna be able to hear you no way.
Oh.
I'm gonna give you this a good mix.
Feel cheated? Hey, buddy. What's happening? Well.
Okay, this is what it looks like. The barbecue and grape jelly meatballs that's been going viral. This is a very southern dish. And as you know, well, some of y'all may not know, but this is leading up to my husband's 54th birthday on Monday.